Chevrolet has outdone itself with this fully loaded 2010 Chevrolet Malibu LTZ. It just doesn't get any better than this GM-certified Malibu finished in stunning white diamond tri-coat paint. New car test drive said it blends a smooth ride with responsive handling, a quiet interior, effective crash performance and noteworthy build quality. Designated by Consumer Guide as a 2010 midsize car best buy. Climb into this wonderful Malibu, and enjoy the array of features and options that are certain to impress. This Malibu is nicely equipped with features such as HFV6 engine package, chrome dual exhaust tips, GM certified, 3.6 L56 SPID OHC VVT, 18 ultra bright aluminum alloy wheels, 3-spoke leather wrapped steering wheel, AM/FM stereo, USB CD player, MP3.